In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace text in PDF with Smallpdf. If you've ever received a PDF that needs a quick correction or update, Smallpdf makes it straightforward. Start by opening your web browser and heading to smallpdf.com. This is a user-friendly site that focuses entirely on PDF tools, so you won't need to install anything. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login option at the top of the page. Click that to sign in. Signing in helps unlock editing features and keeps your work accessible across sessions. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google. This is the fastest route for most people and keeps your credentials secure through Google's sign-in flow. Select your Google account to complete the sign-in. If you're prompted for permissions, confirm them so Smallpdf can create your workspace. After you're signed in, find the Edit Text option and click it, then upload your PDF file. You can drag and drop your document or browse from your computer. Give it a moment to process. The speed depends on your file size. When your PDF opens in the editor, click Edit Text to switch into the text editing mode. This mode ensures you're adjusting existing text rather than adding new elements or annotations. If you see other tools like shapes or highlight, ignore those for now. We're focused on replacing what's already there. Now double-click directly on the text you want to change. That will activate the text box. Highlight the portion you'd like to update and start typing to replace it. Try to keep the style consistent by matching the existing font, size, and alignment the editor suggests. If you need to remove extra characters, use backspace or delete as you would in a word processor. Move carefully through the line to avoid shifting layout unexpectedly, especially in forms or tightly formatted documents. If double-clicking doesn't activate a text box, the PDF might be an image-based scan rather than a text-based document. In that case, text won't be directly editable. You may need to run optical character recognition or overlay new text neatly on top of the old. Small zoom adjustments can help here. Zoom in to make precise edits, and use undo if you make a mistake. To recap, go to smallpdf.com, log in, choose Continue with Google, select your account, click Edit Text, and upload your file, click Edit Text inside the editor, and then double-click on any text box to replace the text. Follow these steps and you'll be able to correct typos, update dates, and fix wording quickly and cleanly.